Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Kieran. Today we're going to be going over how to make a menu for a game in Scratch. So for this example, I have a simple skiing game that I'm going to make a video on next week. So if you want, subscribe to see that then. But for today, we're going to show you how to create a menu using two sprites. First one, you're going to need a ski school, I've called it here, and just a blank background, whatever colour you choose, that's going to fill up this entire screen over here. You're then going to want to have a smaller rectangular size sprite that has a get started or start or play or whatever button that the player is going to be clicking to activate the game. Once you've done that, you're going to go into the main one, so the large one, and first thing you're going to do is just say when flag clicked. You're going to say go to, for me it's 11 and then minus 11, and then we're going to say hide in looks. We're then going to go into events, and we're going to grab a when I receive. So for this, I'm just going to click on the one called start. For you guys, you're probably going to have to make a new message and just type in start here, and then you'll select OK. So for this here, all we really want to do is go back into looks and instead of hide, say show. That's fairly simple code there for this one, but our other sprite that goes over here is going to be a bit more difficult. So the first thing we're going to do for that is say when flag clicked, going to go into motion, we're going to say go to, we're then going to say looks and show, and I just realised back here that we've got to switch around these shows with the hides, just like that, because we wanted to show at the start and hide when it does broadcast start. So what we want to then do is go and say forever if in control. So forever if, we're going to say sensing, touching mouse pointer. We're then going to grab another if. I'm going to sensing and say mouse down, which is underneath the key space pressed. We're going to stick it inside our if statement. We're then going to say in events broadcast start. We're then going to say in looks hide, and then we're going to say stop this script. So in control, we're just going to go down and it will say stop all. We're going to place that in there, and we're going to select the drop down menu, and we're going to say this script. So that should be us for this video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss a video like this. And without further ado, let's see our final product. So there we go, we've got our ski school. Mine says get started here. And I clicked on it and it went away and the game is now starting. So as I said, if you guys want to see this game, then make sure that you subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss this video when it does come out for you all to see. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next week, and bye.